makes no sense to me. It's just under a cliff face. Hey guys, Chris from Nutera. We're up here at the infamous Route 9 rock cut, also known as Misery Mountain, mostly during the winter. And up behind me is a rock ledge, lots of stacked giant boulders all the way up there. And story has it there's a large one, like a good-sized cave you can hang out in, camp. Colt's Foot, beautiful spring flower. Flowers come up first, get pollinated, disappear, and then the leaves come out. It's kind of backwards compared to other ones, but very cool plant. Right from the parking lot up here, you can see a small talus cave already. So I'm gonna head up there and check it out. And I think I see a small second one already right there too. I don't know. Supposedly a huge one, so we'll go find out. That's a cute one. It's a cave, or maybe a crevice. I think it falls on the definition of a crevice more. I'd definitely spend the night there though. Maybe if we're a little bit further off the highway. It's steep. Yeah, it is really steep and rocky. You have to be careful going up here. I don't want to break an ankle. If you're ever hiking along, exploring, and on top of a boulder, you see a randomly placed rock. You might want to take a closer look at it. It's usually placed there by rock hunters. That's a chunk of quartz crystal, and there's a nice lens of smoky quartz running right through there. So that's a sign that there's other deposits nearby, or rock hunters have come up here to let other rock hunters, rock hounds, know, hey, you're not alone. There is stuff here. So if you see it, just leave it. Check out the green in there. That is really cool. Here, black mica, biotite. Nice example right here. Flaky, shiny. It's biotite. Lots of schist, quartz in here. That's very cool. It's another crevice. You can see the dirt's been all dug out. Bet you a porcupine is staying in there, moving it around. That was sketchy. I stepped in what I thought was stable, and then the whole ground moved out from underneath me. I don't want to go tumbling down there. It's not my idea of a good time. I'm on my hands and knees right now, guys. Watch your step. Don't forget that one. Oh, don't forget that one. Whoa. Hey, there's ice in there. That's really cool. Oh yeah, it goes down quite a ways in there. Oh, look, there's a tunnel over there. This is cool. I like this one. It's beautiful. Nice and cozy in here. Yeah, I don't know if you can see that right there. Goes all right there. Hey, you got a window outside. That's cool. And you can exit out the bottom. That's even cooler. That's the largest one I've come across so far, but I only just got started. Let's go up to the ledge and see what we can find. Found some chaga growing on this white birch up here. See that? Looks like charcoal on the outside. It's medicinal, makes good fire tinder too. I got so much of it at home, I'm not gonna harvest this, so just let it keep growing. But it grows so slow. This is probably, I don't know, 5 years old or more. I don't know if you can see here, light bluish, gray. It's not a perfect example, but it's an example of Green Mountain blue quartz. It's definitely an anomaly for quartz to be blue. Geologists are saying they don't quite know what caused it to be blue in our area. But the southern Vermont part of the Green Mountains has a lot of it. Mostly massive, but I did find a few pieces of actual quartz crystals with a facet on it. It's one of my favorite treasures I found up here so far. See it. That's cool. That's what we're trying to get up to. Don't see a clear path yet. Look for animal signs, they'll show you the way. Funny angle for you, right? Look at this monster birch, dude. That's huge. Look at that. Got a small piece of, whoa! That's a hole. Another piece of chaga. Forgot to mention earlier, it's called clinker pore mushroom. It's a polypore. Chaga is actually the Russian name for it. Bet you didn't know that one. Check this out. It's fungi. Even cooler is to see these right here. Those are sheets of biotite mica. See this here? Black, just peeled right off. There's a whole bunch of it over here. And a perfect example, actually, of the crystals of it. Right there. See the octagonal crystal shape? Really wish I had my tools up here with me. Be peeling some of this off. Check out these facets up here too. Very cool. Ah, look at that. I'm liking this one. Puns for you guys. Puns. And there's a little piece of blue quartz right next to that biotite. That is awesome. I'm up to that giant rock face. See way up here. And it's really cool. A little sketchy because the whole rock faces here is just starting to separate more and more every year. The ice and snow gets back there, freezes, pushes it out more. And you get these giant fissures. They look cool, but like I said, it's kind of sketching me out a little bit up here, so I'm gonna just spend a minute looking around. and then continue, I don't know, west more to the other side and see what I can find. I mean, you can tell there's animals coming up here, but the little paths they form, and obviously poop. It's not a lot, but I came up here a few times, so I don't know. Let's see what we find. There's a small den. That's cool. Probably maybe the animal that's coming up here pooping everywhere is it's a den, because it's not porcupine poop, so it's something else. Down through here, a little runway for animals. More lichen. Crivet. Oh man, I'm not climbing up there, I'll tell you that much. Definitely not worth it. Can't even see solid footing over here. It's spongy with holes and loose rocks. Not worth a trip to the emergency room or the funeral parlor, you know what I'm saying? Hey, there's a steep ledge over here. Let's go check that out. You ever see that before? We are really high up, and there's this random pile of sticks at the edge of a ledge over here. I have no clue what that is. It's actually kind of creeping me out a little bit. I'm gonna find out for sure. It's just weird. I don't understand. There's nothing above it to make them fall into a pile like that. It's like they're put there. What the hell is that? I don't even know where to stand. Oh, shit. Crevet. Strange ass pile of brush. Makes no sense to me. It's just under a cliff face. I don't want to go poking around too much. I wonder if there's something living inside of it. I don't know. Creepy. Just got a strong whiff of skunk. I don't see anything over here, any movement, but I'm not gonna hang out to find out. Holy cow. Man. So we're gonna go over there and check out that rock, the other rock ledge. There's a bunch of them. And then head over towards those mica books that somebody told me about. Of course, I don't have my tools with me, so we can at least do some recon and see if it's actually viable or not. Come back later. Yeah, I think that's what we'll do. I think we're going for a slide. Okay. That wasn't as bad, thankfully. Oh. Ow. Stick in the eye. It's just up on top of that one up there. That's where we got the skunk smell and decided to head out of that area at least. We're gonna go down here and check out over there. Head back down to the car. Cribbit. I just want to sit here and stare.